Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. Employers can agree to flexible working arrangements to help employees balance work with other aspects of their lives. Flexibility takes many different forms and can include arrangements like working from home, job sharing, and varying start and finish times. Being flexible as an employer helps foster an atmosphere of give and take in the workplace. As a result, staff are generally happier, which means the business will operate with greater efficiency. Flexibility is a great way to aid the well-being of working parents and carers. Working parents make up around 2/5 of the Australian workforce. Particularly during COVID, many parents or carers engaged in a range of flexible work arrangements to help care for their children at home. Flexibility in the workplace also decreases levels of absenteeism. Studies have revealed a strong correlation between the occasional use of flexible working arrangements and employees' satisfaction with their workplace. The more satisfied your employees are, the less chance they will seek work elsewhere. Flexible working arrangements can attract skilled staff members who add value to your business. By promoting a better work-life balance, you're also widening your talent pool to include part-time students, working parents, and those who have to travel significant distances to work. Here at RP Emery Legal Kits, we offer the tools to help you implement a flexible working arrangement in your workplace. As an employer, you can negotiate almost anything you like with an employee as long as you can demonstrate that the employee is better off overall due to the bargain that you strike. Our individual flexibility agreement is an employment contract that modifies the application of a modern award or enterprise agreement. It's professionally drafted to comply with the Fair Work Act and is available now for immediate download. If you'd like to learn more, check out the link below. And if you want to solve simple legal problems, cut costs, and take control of everyday issues, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button.